It's a bit hazy today, but it's quite nice. Working, one of my favourite working base camps on the island. I've got a few base camps on the island. Lovely jubbly. Just chilling out. Look at it, Skye. Oh, she's got a stick now. You want to play, don't you? I want to play as well. Play my mouth organ. Did you like that, Skye? Did you like that, eh? You want to play with your stick? Oh, you want to play? You want to play? You want to play? Get it? No, not the camera. Lovely girl. Oh, a lovely, lovely day. It's not very bright today, but it's quite mild. It's lovely. Down here, just off Brodick, the other side of Brodick Bay, by Claddack Beach. We're at. I think Tim's coming down tonight. We're going to have a couple of gins in the gin palace. In the beach bar down there. It's only a short walk down there. So I'll have a couple of gins on the beach. I might do a bit of a vlog of that, I don't know yet. But we went to the gin palace a couple of months ago with JP and Sammy. With JP anyway, we had a nice hour in there. That was lovely. That was a couple of months ago. That's in my playlist as well. Don't forget to check my playlist out, guys. It's I've got about 700 videos in there of all the adventures I've been on over the last 3 years. You know, 6 months in Galloway, 7 months on the Isle of Skye, 6 months on Anglesey, months in Wales, East Coast, South Coast for 6 months as well. So there's lots of videos there for you to catch up on if you wish. That'd be nice. Get my views up and my watch time, that'd be brilliant. And don't forget to try and share the channel if you can. That'd be lovely. It's all down to you guys to help the channel grow. I had a bit of a moan the other day, but hey-ho. You gotta have a rant now and again, ain't you? But it is frustrating sometimes, but hey-ho. So the only way we can share the channel is by you guys sharing to your media platforms, the videos. You know, just do the share arrow in the videos and just send it to your Facebook groups and all your friends. Instagram groups, Twitter, whatever. Or X, whatever it is. Share the videos, that's the only way we can grow the channel between us, which would be lovely. Skye's having a right on munch there. Lovely jubbly. I'm getting used to this mouth organ now, this harmonica. It's all, I don't do any scripted music and everything. I just put it in my gob hole and puff away and see what comes out. not too bad. We're getting there. We're getting there with this lovely jubbly. Right, catch you later. Hey, Skye, catch you later. Come on, come on, come on. Watch you lovely people. Here we are at the gin bar. We've had a couple of gins. Here with Mick again. A lovely Dexter. Where is he? He's down there. Always after a ball. Always wants a ball thrown for her. Dog's hyperactive. Here's Skye chilling out. Lovely. What a lovely place this is, folks. The gin bar at Brodick. On the beach. Look at this. You think he was in the Algarve. Absolutely lovely. Had a couple of lovely locally produced gins. Going down nicely, Mick. He's loving it. Cracking. Right. It's beautiful out there. It's really warm in the sunshine as well. There's quite a few people about now. Starting to fill up a little bit. In the sunshine, it's probably 10 degrees warmer. We're in the shade at the moment. Hopefully that music's not loud-fish free playing in the background. It's a lovely beach bar. The Botanical Gin Bar at Brodick at Claddock Beach. Beautiful. Everybody enjoying the sun here on the Isle of Arran. Catch you later. There we go, there's Mick on his way with Dexter. Lovely, and a nice couple of hours in the gin bar. Lovely jubbly, a couple of cars going by. Lovely. It's so bloody warm today, it's bloody gorgeous. Yeah, I'm sure those gins, even though the prices are a bit lumpy in there, I'm sure there must be bloody triples or triple gins in there. Plus you've got the wine cocktails on top as well. The sparkling wine on top, so they must be quite bloody strong. But Mick's on his way, he's on the camp down there. We'll see Mick again later on in the journey. Thanks, Mick. That's a lovely afternoon, Saturday afternoon, sat on the beach, sucking a couple of drinks. Oh, I think I'm going to have a lie down for a bit. Cheers, guys.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty.